If you're seeing or Twitter error 13 on desktop, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This issue is usually caused by browser cache problems, blocked site scripts, VPN conflicts, or sometimes a temporary authorization glitch on X's side. The good news is that in most cases you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tech skills. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes, app tutorials, and troubleshooting guides just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new helpful videos are posted. Alright, let's get into the first fix. The first thing you want to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most common reasons X throws error 13, because old or corrupted browser data can interfere with login and page loading. If you're using Google Chrome on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. If you're on a Mac, use Command, Shift, and the Delete. That will open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to all time, then make sure you check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data. Once that's done, close your browser completely and reopen it. Then go back to X and try again. If the error was caused by bad browser data, this step alone may fix it right away. If you're still seeing error 13, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Ad blockers and privacy tools can sometimes block the scripts that X needs to complete authorization properly. Extensions like uBlock Origin, AdBlock Plus, Privacy Badger, and similar tools can interfere with how the site loads. Temporarily disable those extensions, especially for x.com and twitter.com, then refresh the page and test again. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn that off as well. VPNs are useful for privacy, but they can also trigger login failures or security checks on platforms like X. A changed IP address, unusual routing, or a blocked region can make the site think something is wrong with your session. So for this test, disconnect the VPN, reload X, and see whether the error disappears. Now let's move on to another helpful fix, clearing your DNS cache. This can resolve connection issues between your device and X's servers. On Windows, press the Windows key and type CMD. When command prompt appears, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. In the window that opens, type ipconfig, flush DNS, and press Enter. You should see a confirmation that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, restart your browser and try loading X again. If you're on a different operating system, the idea is still the same. You want to refresh your local network lookup data so your device isn't using stale or outdated connection information. Another great test is to open X in an incognito or private window. This helps you figure out whether the issue is caused by your current browser profile, stored cookies, or an extension problem. If X works in incognito mode, that usually means one of your extensions or browser settings is causing the error. In that case, go back and re-enable your extensions one at a time until you find the one that's causing the conflict. If incognito still doesn't work, try a completely different browser. For example, if you normally use Chrome, test it in Edge, Firefox, or Brave. This is a quick way to find out whether the issue is browser-specific or system-wide. If X loads correctly in another browser, then you know the problem is related to your main browser setup, not your account. At this point, if you've tried all of these steps and error 13 is still showing up, it may simply be a temporary issue on X's servers. In that case, waiting a little while and trying again later can sometimes solve it on its own. Server-side authorization glitches do happen, and they can clear up without any action on your end. So, to quickly recap, the best fixes for X or Twitter error 13 are clearing cache and cookies, disabling ad blockers and VPNs, flushing your DNS cache, and testing in incognito or another browser. Those 4 steps solve the problem for most people. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial on the screen for more easy fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.